All right, let me be transparent here.
Now let me show you how to let me show you how I made a viral video out of a mediocre clip. Watch this clip for context.
That's huge. Sucker. That's huge. Planning for you, sort of. What is this guy doing?
That was probably the most boring clip you've seen all day. What if I told you it got over 400,000 views on TikTok? I thought this guy's movement was funny. You know, he's moving around like a spaz. And then, you know, he just gets killed and David laughs at the end. Let me show you how I edited this to make that many people want to watch it. Okay, so to edit, I use the YouTube Create app. Here we have the whole clip. It's 18 seconds, you know, nothing crazy. So the first thing I do here is change the aspect ratio to 9:16. I want to cut it down to like 8 seconds. Pick a good 8 seconds that with a lot of activity happening. 8 or 9 seconds, that's fine. The reason we don't want it too long is because the retention is going to go down. I originally saw this meme on Instagram. I was like, oh, that's a funny as fuck caption, right? Literally, the only thing you have to do is add some text. What I put was when your homeboy is doing 0 and 9 and you still blame the enemy teammate or something. See how it kind of looks like shit? You want to like frame it. Usually like above the top half is where you want your lettering. And then just pick a good font, like whatever looks nice. Maybe put some shadow so you can actually see it. See how you can't see some of the letters? I like to use bold font just so it sticks out a little more. Just so you're not like straining to see it at all. Soft shadow, maybe an outline. Make sure it's a good size. Like whatever looks nice. Extend it to the end. They're gonna read it, laugh, watch whatever gameplay footage, and then this one is like, it's like very shareable. So they're gonna send it to their homies, kind of like as a dig at them. Yeah, literally the editing couldn't be any simpler. It's fucking easy. And then just export. Make sure it's 60, 1440. Even if your footage isn't that, you just don't want it to be compressed. That's my theory, at least. Pick a trending song or whatever song sounds good with it. You know, it doesn't matter. Like, I thought this one, like, fit the vibe. But yeah, it's simple as fuck. I like doing this when I have a clip I'm not talking in or something. I have a whole nother technique that might work better for you. Let me know if you want another video like this about that other technique.